Welcome back to another Profusion Sultry tutorial. This is number 3 and it is a rose gold and plum halo eye, and honestly I'm obsessed with this look. It's so beautiful. This is such a glamorous, gorgeous look. It's very easy to achieve too, but I thought this was perfect for holidays. It's just so pretty, and you compare any two colors together, shimmery and matte, to make a halo eye. So let's get started by priming our eyelids, and I have a little bit of powder there to catch fallout because I was wearing a full face of foundation and stuff and just being kind of cautious and leery of fallout, even though there's not really a lot of fallout with this palette. It's really awesome. So I'm picking up NIMBLE and I'm going to place that in my outer corner, drag it through the crease area, and apply it in the inner corner as well. But I'm just going to keep applying the color, adding color, building that up basically is what I'm doing. I'm doing it a little at a time so we don't make any mistakes, because a halo eye or any look in general can quickly get out of hand by applying too much shadow or shadow in the wrong spot. So I'm just going back and building the shade up and continuing to build it up. And I really wanted the most potent in the inner and outer corners of the look. And next, after we have our shadow placed, I'm going to use the AOA brush cleaner, and I'm going to clean my brush off, and I'm picking up ECSTATIC, and I'm going to apply that around the edges of the look. Already by now you can probably tell exactly what my favorite shades in the palette are. I use them the most, especially NIMBLE. It's been used in every look I've done. I love that one. So we're going to take some concealer. That was Covergirl's Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, and apply that to the center of the lid. And I'm not really doing it in any particular special kind of shape, just a little bit on the middle and center of the lid there. And that is going to act for our highlight spot for our halo. So I'm taking 3 Wishes, which is a rose gold shimmery metallic eyeshadow. Very beautiful. One of the prettiest shimmery metallic shades in the palette. And we're going to apply that to our lid. So the center of our lid and a little bit outside of the concealer lines for blending, so it doesn't look so stark and so there and not blended. We're going to be picking up NIMBLE again and use that to blend the inner and outer corner edges with 3 Wishes. Wiping away that fallout. And we are going to go in with Ideal and CANNY mixed together and use that as our brow bone highlight. This is a matte, creamy, vanilla shades, skin tone shades, bone kind of shade, and apply that as the brow bone. Help blend down those edges too. So on the lower lash line, I am applying NIMBLE, and then I'm going to blend NIMBLE over top of what I just applied. We're taking GLEAM, and I'm putting that in the inner corner because every time I wear a halo eye, I feel like my eye starts getting shut off, so I wanted the inner corner highlight. That's optional. I'm using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to line with. I'm using AOA Studios liquid eyeliner to do a very thin line of liquid liner. Nothing major, because I still want this to look very feminine and kind of more toned down. We're using the Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. And just the other day, I done a look very similar to this going to church. Very toned down version, non-halo, but this is what sparked the inspiration for this look. And I absolutely loved it. Had to share a rendition of that look with you guys, but more glamorized for the holidays. We used the Broadway True Matte Lipstick in Nude Rose. Those lipsticks are $3 each at Dollar General. Highly recommend picking up some. Nice, creamy, last a really long time on the lips, non-drying. They're very beautiful. Tons of colors. And that's the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look, the tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching. Happy holidays!